Find features that distinguish it from other brands for BlissAer Air Purifiers. Why you should buy choose, because it consists of the following features. Breathe easier. Our bedroom air purifier captures up to 99.97% of smoke, dust, and pet dander via an advanced H13 True HEPA filter and an air quality indicator light. Create a safe haven for those with sensitive lungs and anyone seeking cleaner air. Exceptional coverage for large rooms. Use our HEPA filter air purifiers for bedroom, living room, or open layouts up to 1,500 square feet. Its powerful 360 degrees circulation ensures clean air in every corner, making your home a sanctuary of health and comfort. Smart, seamless control for modern living. Our HEPA air purifiers for home are compatible with Google Home and Alexa, and easily managed via a mobile app. Adjust air quality, set schedules, or monitor performance, all from the palm of your hand. Quiet comfort for restful nights. Enjoy peaceful nights with this room air purifier operating at a whisper quiet 25 decibels. The sleep mode ensures uninterrupted rest with optimal air quality, even for light sleepers and kids, perfect for a baby's room. Safety for families. The air purifier for bedroom meets stringent industry standards, including CARB, EPA, FCC, ETL, and RoHS certifications, ensuring safe performance. In addition, an integrated child lock provides extra safety for kids and pets. Easy maintenance with accessible replacement filters. Keep your air purifier running like new. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.